Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. So today I'm going to touch upon my one of my recent strategy which I had shown to you. You can see this Bank Nifty strategy. Friends, it's really superb. It's working very well. That is the reason I thought I will just touch upon this. It's called as Bank Nifty ORB strategy, and every one of them, whoever followed the strategy from past 1 month, are all in profit. They were easily able to make more than 10% returns, and also when back tested for a long time, it has done excellent. It is very good. It is very good, and you all know that the Bank Nifty is a favorite stock for most of the people because the volumes are very good, because the stocks get filled as soon as we place an order, and the slippages are very low, and there are many more advantages of trading a Bank Nifty, and this is the reason why this strategy has become an instant hit. Almost everyone, those who are following it, thanks to everyone who gave feedback, it has performed very well, and that is the reason I thought I'll make a follow-up video on this, because in case if you have missed watching this video, I would just like to re-highlight the strategy to you. And also, if you're just seen and not yet started, then you can start it as soon as possible. So before going forward, just want to give you a quick update of my ATF mentorship program. I'm just challenging you to give me 6 months of dedication and time, and then I'll show you how to master success in stock market. I'm not concentrating only on the strategy, because strategy is available almost anywhere on YouTube or on Google, but I'm concentrating more towards money management, which is 30%, and then winning psychology, which is almost 50%. These are the knowledge which you have to gain to be successful in stock market. So I'm concentrating on this part. That is what is covered most probably in this ATF mentorship program. And please don't ask me which strategy I'm using, because strategy is not at all important. Let me repeat it again: strategy is not at all important. So it's money management and winning psychology. This is what I'll be covering in my program as well. Okay, now coming back to our strategy about this Bank Nifty. So I'm just opening the September futures. So whenever you're trading, you can use that particular month contract. So what you have to do is just open the 30-minute candle. So you can see that I have selected this 30 minutes candle. Yes, in Bank Nifty features. So when you're trading in features, you have to open the features chart, and then just look at the 30 minutes candle. Once it is over, you can keep alarm at 9:45 and just buy or sell the breakout of this first candle. So you can see on this particular day, that is on 30th of August, the high has not been broken, but the low has been broken, and you can see that we keep a target and stop loss of 100 points. So you can see the low, which is 27,461. This low is 27,351. It's 27,277. So our target has easily been hit. So this is how we have to trade. Just place a buy order and a sell order at the high price and at the low price, and then just leave till end of the day. Okay, you can also keep a bracket order with a target of 100 and a stop loss of 100, so that you don't have to look into your screen again and again. So very simple strategy. Yes. So on 29th also, you can see that the high is not broken, but the low is broken, and our 100 points has easily been hit. So this is how you have to keep doing, friends. It has worked beautifully, and it will work beautifully as well. So the success ratio is almost 60 to 70%. So you will be able to make profit returns, very good returns, and this is uh, best suited for working people. Even if you're a beginner, if you don't know anything about much about trading, you can start following the strategy. Just say the first candle, just place the buy order and the low order at the high and the low price. That's it, nothing else to be done. Just keep a target of 100 points and a stop loss of 100 points, and then just leave. Okay, so this is how the strategy is all about. Very easy, very simple. I recommend every one of you who have seen this to please start it from tomorrow with one lot. You will not lose much. At the most, you might lose only 2000 rupees in case if you're making any loss on a particular day. And please give your feedbacks as well. It will really give me a lot of confidence booster. And also, in case if you have any doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095876525. And also friends, I have provided the link to join Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use a link which I have provided in the description of this video, and you'll be getting 50% discount on my open trades as well. Any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. As I told you, my number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.